In this video, we demonstrate how to use heading styles to create accessible documents and content. Applying styles, especially heading styles, to the text in your documents and web-based pages such as in Canvas and Sitecore provides a structured reading order, making it easier for navigation, both visually and when using assistive technologies such as screen reading software or text-to-speech tools. Including clear, well-formatted headings helps you comply with current accessibility guidelines. As well as their use in creating accessible documents, heading styles are used for formatting and bring the following benefits: quicker and easier than formatting all headings manually; consistency, all headings have the same look and feel in terms of font size, colour and embellishments; and line spacing. In Word documents, there are some additional benefits, such as if you apply numbered heading styles as shown in this document, Word keeps control of the heading numbers even when you move text around, and headings formatted with heading styles are automatically included in the table of contents. There is one heading style for each of the heading levels. Think of the main heading as the top level heading, or level 1. Apply the style called Heading 1 for main headings, and if using numbered heading styles, the relevant number is applied. A section heading or subheading can also be called a level 2 heading. The font size is usually smaller than the main heading, and if numbered, it will follow 1.1, 1.2, etc. A subsection heading is also called a level 3 heading. The font size may be smaller, or it may use different emphasis than the section heading. If numbered, it will follow 1.1.1, 1.1.2, etc. Styles are located on the Home tab in the Styles group. Here you will see the Styles gallery, listing the most recently used and most common styles available to you in the current document. To view all styles available in a document or template, open the Styles pane by clicking the More button, the arrow in the lower right corner of the Styles group. You may find it useful to tick Show Preview at the bottom of the Styles pane to view what each style will look like when applied. It's easy to identify an applied style in your text. If we take a look at this document, the title is Nutrition and Diet, and the first heading, Introduction, is formatted using a style called Heading 1. Word has a maximum of 9 heading levels. To apply a style to a heading, select the heading text in your document, then locate and click the required style. In this instance, I'll select the style Heading 2. To change the heading levels, you can either choose the new style or use the increase indent and decrease indent commands in the paragraph group on the Home ribbon to demote and promote the text respectively. Where numbered styles are used, notice that the heading numbers are adjusted accordingly to match the heading style applied. If you create a PDF of your document, the heading styles are retained in the PDF, allowing screen reading software to identify the structure to the document and assist with the reading order.